What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If that's something you like to listen to, we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can support our channel if you like, share, or even comment down below. It helps our content get out, and we greatly appreciate the support. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a recap of some content we put out several months ago, maybe even close to a year ago now, and that was on two credit cards, the Reflex MasterCard and the Surge MasterCard. Now, these are two subprime credit cards that are issued through Celtic Bank, and they're marketed by Continental Finance. Now, Continental Finance is one of the largest marketers in the subprime credit area, and they market kind of these subprime types of credit. Now, the reason why I'm doing this review again, I did get a request from a subscriber who wanted to learn about some options for subprime and some that are bankruptcy friendly, because believe it or not, a lot of these entry level types of credit cards that you would think, let's say for example, uh, Discover It, Capital One, Platinum Card, City Double Cash, or even some of these secure credit cards, if you have too many derogatory items or bankruptcies, some of these entry level types of cards you can't get. So there are options out here for those who are in subprime, meaning that they have a credit score below a 580 and they have a lot of delinquencies or even maybe bankruptcies and things like that where they can't get approved for some of these entry level types of cards. So I wanted to go over these two accounts. So they're essentially the same exact card, Surge MasterCard, Reflex MasterCard. It's just marketed differently. I believe you can only have one or the other. Now, one of the good things that I do like about it is that they are bankruptcy friendly, meaning that if you do have a bankruptcy reporting on your credit report, you can get approved for the Reflex MasterCard or the Surge MasterCard. Now, the downside is usually it's going to come with an annual fee. Now, there's also different offers depending on your credit profile. So sometimes you might get an offer with a lower annual fee or a higher annual fee or a higher limit versus a lower limit. And in some cases, you may even get a secured offer. So it's going to vary. But again, the great thing is that you can do a soft pull pre-qualification every 30 days to see what type of offer that you might be able to get. So let's go jump over to the website real quick so we could walk through all the qualifications and how to apply for the Reflex or the Surge MasterCard. All right, so here we are on the Reflex MasterCard website, and I also have the Surge MasterCard website pulled up as well. Again, these are essentially the same exact product, but just marketed different. One's called Surge, one is called Reflex. But anyways, it's a soft pull. There's no impact to your credit score. It takes less than a minute. And one of the great things is that you can review your offer if you do receive an offer. And if you decide to go forward with that offer, it will be a hard pull. If you don't want to take the offer, you don't have to, but at least whether you may get approved before you even go through with a hard pull. So that's another thing that I really like about this. If you don't get an offer, that means you don't qualify. So you're not going to waste the hard pull unnecessarily. And it just asks basic information, your name, your address, your social security number, monthly income, things like that, whether you have a checking account or a debit card. And then all you have to do is hit this authorized pre-qualification and certify that you are at least 18 years of age, over 19 in the state of Alabama, and then you just click here to see your credit offers. A couple other features: the starting credit limit starts at a minimum of 300 all the way up to $750. APR is pretty high, but that's what you would expect with a subprime type of credit card, 25.9% to 29.99%. And again, as I mentioned, there's different offers. So the annual fee can range from $75 to $99, all depending on what pre-qualified offer you get based on your credit worthiness. And it's the same thing essentially for the Surge MasterCard. So I'm not going to go through all of this. It's all the same information, same limit, same APR, same annual fee. Great thing is that you can get credit limit increases, and they report to all three major credit reporting agencies. So it will help you establish a credit history. So another great thing to consider. All right, so to recap, the Surge MasterCard and the Reflex MasterCard are designed for subprime credit. So if you have a 680, 720, 750, you do not need to be applying for this. This is for those who have very, very low credit scores, derogatories, or even bankruptcy. So this is an option. If you have, fair to good, excellent credit, do not waste a hard inquiry on this particular product. I just wanted to do this review to let those know who may have derogatory items. They can't get entry level types of cards. This could be an option. It does come with an annual fee from $75 to $99, and the starting limits are going to be relatively low, $350 to $750. So if you're already established with credit history, you probably don't want to mess with this one. This is specifically for those who have subprime credit. You can get a soft pull pre-qualification before you actually undergo a hard pull. So that's one thing to consider. I'm not recommending this to everyone. I would say it's an option for those with subprime credit. So I just wanted to reiterate this information. But that's all I wanted to cover in today's video. Until next time, y'all take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.